Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. So in our last video we have seen the scenario where we have moved file from email to OneDrive location. Now let's do vice versa for this. So this time we'll upload a file in OneDrive, and what do we want? We want that file to be automatically automatically an email should be triggered. Okay, and that file should be attached into that email. Okay, and for our testing purpose I'm going to send all this file to my user only. So let's go ahead and start creating this one. So my source would be this one, OneDrive. So for that I can go to my OneDrive, and the first thing is that let me create a folder here. I can say folder here, and I can give a name to my folder. So I will say something called like new file upload, and I will create this particular folder here. Okay, now my OneDrive folder is ready. Now the next thing would be I need to create my flow. So I can go to my flow here and let me create a new flow. Automation, cloud flow. I'm going to use automated one. And here my trigger would be OneDrive. So I can search for my OneDrive connectors here. So if I will simply search OneDrive, so here I can even get it when a file is created. So I'm going to select this one only, and I will say create. Okay, now here it is specifying, it is telling me which from, like, if the file is created in which folder. So I'm just specifying a folder. So the folder I created just now is this new file upload. Okay, and okay, all right. Now when the file will be created, this is going to be triggered. Okay, then I can get all the information from this particular trigger, and I can simply use my send an email action from my Outlook to send this email. So I can say Outlook here, Outlook, and I can say send an email v2, and for now let me send this email to myself, to my admin user, and I will say test from OneDrive to Outlook. I can go to here, show advanced, and here is the place where you can attach your attachments. Okay, now the first thing is that you can get file name from this particular trigger. Simply select your file name. Similarly, content, you can easily get content from this one. A very simple flow. And let me give a name. I can call it as something called OneDrive to email, something like this. I'm going to save it. Okay, so the body is required, it's mandatory. So you can say here OneDrive to email, something like this. I'm going to save it, and then I will trigger this. I will simply upload a file. Okay, this is saving. I will wait. Okay, this is taking some time. Let me go back. Email to OneDrive. What did I create it? Let me search if my flow is available here. I think it didn't got saved. Let me refresh this. So the flow didn't get saved. So let me again create the flow. So you can skip the video for next 2 minutes if you already know this. So let me quickly select my folder again. I will go as fast as possible. And this was the folder. I will click on News tab here. Let me search for my Outlook. And here I can use my send an email. I'm going to send my email to myself. I will say file is something called uploaded in OneDrive, and name of file is, I can specify file name here. Type, please find attachment. Thanks. So advanced option, attachment name, that would be file name, attachment content, and here let me save this. Okay, so this is saved. I can change a name now, like OneDrive to email, and let me save this. And I think it will save. So now let me test it. So I can upload a file here. I will go to file uploads, and here I can upload this file, and I'm uploading my file, and hopefully I should get an email in next few minutes. So I'll wait, and in the meantime let me see if my flow got triggered. Alright guys, so my flow runs successfully and I should get that in my email. Okay, so here if you can see, I'm getting this, and I'm also getting this, what do we call, my subject here. Hi, please find attachment. Thank you, and this is my attachment here. So this is how you can, whenever a new file will be created in your OneDrive, you can move it to anywhere, and you can also trigger an email that a new file has been uploaded. So thank you for watching this video.